Ini kenapa ya? Kok Merlionnya tutup ya?
我们是不是去错了地方？
under construction 啊。
Every few years, the Merlion statue undergoes restoration. This time, it's scheduled to be closed for 3 months.
Good morning. How are you, everybody?
It all begins with this gathering. Not unlike 48 years ago, when the Lim family first brought the Merlion to life. The first of its kind, the late sculptor Mr. Lim Nang Seng spared no effort in crafting the Merlion. For 9 months, he and his 8 children toiled day and night. Mr. Lim's choice of the white Shanghai plaster gave the Merlion its distinctive and pristine glow from head to tail. But grime has accumulated over time. Meet Pandajit Singh, who cleans the Merlion before the team embarks on the restoration. The original steel structure supporting the Merlion has rusted over the years. To deal with this, Ahmad Jafael applies an anti-corrosion solution to slow the aging. Even though the 70-ton Merlion stands strong at 8.6 meters, small pockets of hollow lay deep beneath the surface. The only way to tell is from the difference in resonance. These trapped pockets of air are caused by vibrations from construction works nearby.
Okay, this one. Hello, area.
To fix this, fillers are carefully injected into the statue. 5 more weeks till the Merlion is restored and unveiled. Meanwhile, the little Merlion cub holds the fort. With age come cracks and erosion. Fortunately, the Merlion is in good hands. With a few touches, it now becomes stronger than ever. Only 3 weeks left to the unveiling. The team faces an unexpected setback.
Fire, raining. Faster, keep.
There is nothing they can do but to wait. And now, it's down to the final step. For the first time, the cat ladder is being replaced. It's the only way for the crew to access the pipe at the mouth of the Merlion, which spouts water for 20 hours daily. Like the rest of the process, this has to be done with much precision. And the restoration is complete. It's the end of an 11-week journey. The Merlion roars on, louder and stronger than before.